This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Friday, the 7th of July. I'm James Spann. Once again today, showers and storms firing up in the humid air across Alabama, and storms will likely increase in coverage over the weekend, especially on Sunday. Let's begin with the radar, which is typically what we do this time of the year in the afternoon. You can see pockets of thunderstorms in progress across the state. We have active storms over parts of east, north, and west Alabama. Storms are currently below severe limits. We'll take a look at the most active storms. And again, this update is live at 2:39. Storms in progress from near Florence down to Hamilton, Vernon, Millport, and Reform in west Alabama. Got lighter showers over northeast Alabama, parts of Marshall and Jackson counties, and some pretty hefty storms in progress on the eastern side of the state, parts of Clay, Randolph, Tallapoosa, and Chambers counties. And let's go down south, and you can see we've got scattered storms in progress in parts of southwest Alabama. Got some pretty decent storms in progress developing over Baldwin County right along just south of Interstate 65 down toward Bay Minette. Other scattered showers and storms over the Florida Panhandle. And again, we'll see these for the next several hours, much like recent days. And understand, not everybody will see rain, but where the storms are in progress, they're fairly strong with a lot of lightning, gusty winds, heavy rain. And again, we're expecting to see an increase in the number of storms over the weekend, especially on Sunday. Here's the upper air look today. And again, we've got the upper ridge is not especially strong, and that will continue to weaken as a trough kind of beats it down, opening the door for that increase in storms over the weekend. Here's the visible satellite view today, and for most of the state, we have a partly sunny sky. We'll check the radar composite across the Deep South. That's the way it looks about 2:30. Now, these temperatures were taken at 1 o'clock. I grabbed those images a little earlier this afternoon. At that point, we had mid to upper 80s. They're close to 90 now. And I do think we'll see numbers coming down over the weekend. And by Sunday, highs will likely be in the upper 80s, mid to upper 80s because of clouds and showers. Here's the watch warning map on this Friday afternoon. Fairly quiet day. Parts of New England under a flash flood watch. Have an enhanced risk of severe weather through tonight across parts of the Texas Panhandle and extreme west Oklahoma. The broader risk runs from the Red River back up into parts of the Dakotas and Minnesota, and a marginal risk over parts of the northeast United States. So tomorrow, got a risk of severe storms out across the middle of the United States, a marginal risk clipping north and west Alabama, basically from Birmingham north and west, and the main concern coming from hail and strong straight-line winds. And then Sunday, day 3, we have a level 2 out of 5 risk over much of Alabama, areas there in yellow. A marginal risk down into deep south Alabama, and much more on the situation Sunday here in just a moment. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. Average amounts between 1 and 3 inches across the state. This is the rain valid through Friday morning of next week. And once again, it's quiet in the tropics, just very calm. At some point, we'll get some action going out there. The peak of the season typically comes in August, September, early October. We're getting close to that peak window, but again, for now, no tropical trouble. So, model fans, let's go the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. And again, you can see that trough kind of beating down the ridge, the trough extending in from the north. And we'll see a number of showers and storms around tomorrow. But again, not raining all day, not raining everywhere. But they'll be around. A mix of sun and clouds with highs 88 to 91 in most spots. And then Sunday, a surface boundary tries to push in here from the north, and that, in combination with a trough and an unstable air mass, should bring a number of showers and storms around. And again, where the storms form Sunday, they could be pretty strong with a chance of hail and strong straight-line winds. No risk of a tornado in a setup like this, but a wet microburst, absolutely a possibility, along with some hail. And temperatures in the 80s because of clouds and rain. Not raining all day, but occasional showers and storms are likely. Monday, evidence the dry air tries to dip into the Tennessee Valley. Maybe if you're in the Shoals or Huntsville, it might be a dry day, but for the rest of the state, we're expecting a number of showers and thunderstorms around. And then Tuesday, it's really hard to get dry air in here in July. I mean, let's be honest here. The models have hinted that we might see a little dry air for the northern half of the state on Tuesday with hardly any showers, the better chance of showers and storms across the southern counties. But on Wednesday, the front fizzles and the moisture comes right back with scattered showers and storms. This is Thursday. And a week from today, Friday the 14th of July, troughing well to the north, ridge trying to rebuild, but again, we'll see scattered showers and storms around. Let's go out 10 days. This is Monday, the 17th of July. That is a nasty-looking 597 heat ring. Almost 6,000 meters when you see that. I mean, that's blistering hot, and especially where that ring is over Arizona and New Mexico. Phoenix, it's going to be just broiling out there. But for us, again, we've got evidence of broad troughing here, and once again, we'll see scattered showers and storms about. We just don't see any evidence of excessively hot weather, some type of heat wave in here. And yes, it's always hot and humid every day in the summer, but by excessive heat, we're talking triple digits or higher. Rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the GFS ensemble. We're looking for the green line, little over 3 inches between now and the 23rd of July. Check temperatures coming off the NBM, National Blend of Models for Birmingham, showing 92 tomorrow, then 80s on Sunday and Monday because of clouds and showers and storms. Then heat levels tick up a little bit with low and mid-90s for the latter half of next week. And hot off the presses, got the brand new 8 to 14-day guidance. This is for July 15th through July 21st. And if this works out, temperatures here would be a little above average. Had a great time today in Oxford. What a crowd. This is the Oxford Public Library. Had their summer reading program, big group of kids there, and a lot of moms and dads. And we had a great, great time today talking about weather. Different kinds of weather, and you can learn weather in the summer. And ooh, yes, cookies, that makes us happy. Those are good-looking cookies. So, again, thanks to all the folks in Oxford today, all the kids that came out, the families. We had just a great, great time today. That was much, much fun earlier today. And again, we do not have a book signing tomorrow. We'll be back on the road a week from tomorrow. We'll post the schedule up on the social channels as they become available. But that'll do it for the afternoon weather briefing here. We have notes on the blog, alabamawx.com. And don't forget to join us this evening on TV right across the hall in Studio A, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.